Good morning, guys. I wanted to do a little bit of a different vlog video besides what I normally do. Most of the stuff on this channel, I guess, is small business related, and I think that'll be what it's like mostly about, but I also just want to do, I guess, more vlogs and lifestyle stuff as well, just so you guys can get to know me, I guess. So today I thought that I would do like a little bit of a reset sort of video. I've been flat out working for the last like week or two. I've had a heap of sales come through, which is really awesome. I think most of it's just because I've had my end of financial year sale going on. What are you doing? So anyway, like I said, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a reset video today. I am basically just going to be cleaning the house, doing some skincare. I washed my hair this morning. As you would have seen, I went to the beach this morning and watched the sunrise and did some journaling and some meditating. I don't really do it properly. I kind of just listen to affirmations and like zone out, I guess. I also went to Fisherman's Road Market just after that, and I wasn't going to buy anything because I need to save for Europe and I don't need more clothes and stuff. Well, I do, but like, you know. I ended up getting this little bag though. It's by Sports Girl. So this was like super cute, and I wasn't gonna get it, and then I walked back and I was like, well, it's still there as I've done my loop, so I may as well just get it, and it was $5, so can't help myself. And there was more stuff that I was gonna buy. There was actually like quite a few good stalls there this morning, but I just held back. I said no, I need to top up on some like skincare and like some stuff around the house. I'm going to spend my money on that, and then obviously I have to have my savings for Europe. I can't believe I'm going in less than 2 months. It's actually crazy, and it's come around so quickly. That's kind of why I'm wanting to do these sorts of videos as well, because I want to vlog Europe when I'm there, and I just need to get more comfortable with talking to a camera, because it's not natural. It's very weird. This morning I'm going to clean my house. It is so messy. When you've just been like working non-stop, your house just ends up being put on the back burner, and we have a house inspection in like 2 weeks, so I need to kind of get on top of it all now, so that when it comes around to it, I can just do like a little tidy up and I don't have to be doing a lot. Meow. I'm gonna start doing that, and then later on I'm going to go to the shops and I need to pick up a few things, so I'll take you along for that. Also, excuse how I look. I really need to do my eyebrows and do something about my hair. It's a bit tragic at the moment. I'm not proud of. My wardrobe has just become a big dumping ground full of my clothes, and I want to sort through it today as well. I need to buy more coat hangers to like hang up some pieces, because a lot of the pieces I just have to chuck in the drawers, or they just end up on the floor, and I hate that. I want to be able to have it hung up so I can just see it and pick it out very easily. That's actually so embarrassing. Okay, I look quite a bit more presentable now. It's like 10:30. I'm going to ride my bike to the shops and just pick up some things that I need to get. I want to get some frames for these posters that I got for Christmas actually from my mum, and I really need to hang them up, or I just really want to hang them up because they're just sitting in paper and I just want to put them up. I'm also going to go to Priceline, get some more skincare, and I need to get a new eyebrow pencil thing for my eyebrows. I'm wearing my really big Harper shirt. I've got on this little bandeau which is from Pastel Designs, and then of course I've got my Isla pants on as well, and then I don't know what shoes I'm going to wear, maybe my Converse or my slides, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm back from my bike ride. You should have seen me trying to ride back home with this. Anyway, I'll show you what I got. I picked up a couple of things from Priceline. So I got some retinoid serum again. I ran out and I've been using this one. This one's a 2% one. I've worked my way up to it. I need to pick that up again because I ran out. And then I got another regenerating night cream from Dermaveen. I bought this. It was like sitting on the end of like an aisle in Priceline, and I bought it when I was on sale, and I actually really like it. So this is like a repurchase. It was more expensive this time. First time when I bought it was like $10, and then it's actually like $22 normally, but I wanted to repurchase this because I really love Dermaveen. I needed a new eyebrow wand brush sort of thing, so I picked up this one, which is from Kind. It's a vegan and cruelty-free company. I've never heard of it before. I think it's only stocked in Priceline, but I wanted to give this a go. I have been using the one from Elf, and I've wanted to try a different one from like a different company, so I'm gonna give that a go. I also picked up this book, which is Atomic Habits. I've been wanting to read it for a very long time now, so glad I've picked it up. I'm gonna give it a read later today and see how I go, but I just want to start reading some more books. I've only read one this year, so I want to try and do like at least 5 this year, so this is number 2. And then I bought these frames just from Kmart. I bought 3 of them, and I'm gonna put my posters in them and hang them up. I don't know where yet. I'm thinking like over next to my bathroom. I wanted to put it here, but like this wall's really small, but I wanted it there because normally when I film like my TikToks and stuff, I kind of use this section because it looks really pretty, but I'm thinking I'll just put it over on that wall because it's a pretty big wall and it's just blank. So, and then I also picked up some command hooks to use that for, because I'm in a rental, I can't put nails in my wall. I'll show you my posters actually. Actually, do I have 3? Yeah, I do. It'd be funny if I bought 3 and I don't have 3. This one and the Van Gogh one, which I really love. But Mum got me those for Christmas and I haven't hung them up yet, so I'm going to do that later today, but I'm going to film a TikTok doing it just so I have something to post on my personal one, because I don't really have much to do on there. I'm going to do that later. I'm going to have something to eat now because I haven't had anything to eat and it's lunchtime. Damn, I got one that was already ripped.
What happened?
Or like it wasn't sealed on the end properly. Wow. Finished cleaning and doing what I wanted to do today. I still just have to go and put away my market stock. So I did Yumundi yesterday and I've just dumped all of the stock in the garage, so I need to go and put that away, and I might count stock. I might either do it now or I'll do it tomorrow, depending on how I'm feeling. Marcus and I are going to go to the grocery shop later, and then we're going to go to Rickshaw's and have dinner tonight. For the rest of the afternoon, I'm just going to put away my market stock, and then I'm probably just going to relax for a little bit until we go to the shops. I'm gonna go over my skincare quickly before I jump into bed. So I first do the Witch Hazel toner, put that over my face, and then with that still on my face, I put the hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary on. But you want to put it on when your face is still wet so that it soaks in all the hydration. After that, I do niacinamide. This is like really good if you have like really big pores. It'll like close them up. I just do this in like my T-zone, I guess. And after that, I'm using my retinoid 2% from The Ordinary. Very small amount. I'm gonna let that soak in for a little bit. Then I'm going to do gua sha. I don't do this as often as I should, but it's nice when you do it. With that, I'm using this rose hip oil from Aiken. I'm just gonna put that on my face. I do this like, I don't know, every so often, maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. And then later on, just before I go to bed, I'm going to put on my face moisturizer from Dermaveen before I go to bed. And that's my skincare.